Tonight, Fox 4 is asking more questions about a police-involved shooting that left a man dead at a Fort Myers apartment, Chris.
And Fort Myers police officers were called out to that location, the Vistas at Eastwood complex off of Ortiz Avenue nearly 24 hours ago, in reference to a man randomly shooting his gun. Police eventually shot and killed the 29-year-old suspect, Ryan Bauer, after video shows him firing in the directions of the officers. We have blurred some of the video, though, due to its graphic nature. And neighbors tell Fox 4 Bauer got an eviction notice from the apartment complex the day before. And they also saw him taking in plywood and 2x4s to board everything up. As we wait to try to determine and learn what may have sparked this dangerous situation, Fox 4's Yvette Sanchez went through the video that a viewer gave us and went through it with a forensic studies expert to get a deeper understanding of the law enforcement response.
Somebody who was taking shots, looks like randomly just taking shots in the courtyard from what would be the apartment or the outside of their apartment door.
Dr. David Thomas, professor of forensic studies at Florida Gulf Coast University, analyzing video Fox 4 obtained of the standoff between FMPD, SWAT, and 29-year-old Ryan McFarland Bauer at Vistas at Eastwood complex in Fort Myers Wednesday night.
I saw what appears to be law enforcement going up the staircase. I say that because I saw the flashlight.
Dr. Thomas says upon further review, he could see the officer take a tactical position once he got up the stairs and shot the subject. In the video, which we've blurred because of the sensitive nature, you can see the subject go down and come back up. And in Dr. Thomas's expert opinion, he says,
is the suspect, when he got shot from a distance, and he went down, that it wasn't over, and that he still had the ability to resist and was able to, point a gun or make movements. And so the officer responded by shooting in order to stop the threat.
According to FMPD, the standoff lasted 5 hours, and some residents were evacuated from the complex, but not all. Dr. Thomas says there's a good reason for that, and most likely many were told to shelter in place.
And I wouldn't be surprised that if there was a 911 reverse call to the people, if they had the numbers, to tell them to shelter in place.
He adds that in an active shooter situation,
to try to get people out when you have a person that is actively shooting, there is no way that you could protect those people.
The case has now been taken over by the Florida Department of Law Enforcement since it is an officer-involved shooting. In Fort Myers, Yvette Sanchez, Fox 4.
The Fort Myers Police Department said the 2 officers involved in the shooting are on paid administrative leave. This is normal protocol anytime an officer is involved in a shooting. Today